Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What we're going to be doing today is jumping these Churchtown pump tracks.
On your marks, get set, go. What do you reckon you got on that one?
30.
30?
Yeah.
No.
More.
Less.
20.
Not bad. You got 19.91.
That's not bad.
No, that's not bad. It's alright.
That's good, but...
So do you reckon you can do it better? So, your second attempt. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your marks, get set, go.
I guess. 21 seconds.
21?
Yeah.
No, you did alright actually. 19.81.
I think it is 19.
You're getting better though. So do you want to do your third one now, or?
Yeah, we'll do
One more? Alright. Your third attempt then. On your marks, get set, go. What do you reckon?
17.
No, not like good yet.
18.
18.81.
Yay! Right guys, you see my times. Come down to Churchtown Skate Park to beat my times. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.